Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We are going to work on a quick and easy Christmas decor piece. And when I say quick and easy, it's going to be quick and easy. So don't think I've just jinxed myself, because I haven't. It's going to be using a spoon from the Dollar General, not the Dollar Tree. This is just a bamboo spoon. They probably have them at Dollar Tree. I don't know, but I got this one at Dollar General. And we're going to make a cute little like kitchen wall hanging from this for Christmas. First things first, we are going to remove the label and grab a piece of tape. I've got my blue painter's tape. And we are going to tape off the handle. I've got one started already. You want to make it as straight around as possible. I'm not good at straight. I'll be honest with you, I'm not good at straight. We are going to paint the handle a Christmas color. I've chosen red for mine. You can choose whatever color you want. I mean, you could do this black, gray if you want neutrals, or like a forest green or whatever you want to do. But I've got my colonial red in satin. First thing I need to do is give this a quick sanding. This is just a 220 grit. I want to just raise the grain a little bit, give this something to bite into. We don't want it to be a slick surface. So we're just prepping the handle for painting. Don't get too crazy with it. That's it. It doesn't have to be anything like spectacular. You're not trying to remove paint or anything like that. We're just taking the shine off so that it is easier for the paint to bite into something. It always looks pink when I open this can, but it's not. It's red. It'll be all right. Nobody panic. It's red. Let me get you switched around. All right, so all we're going to do is paint the handle of this red, first of all. And like I said, use whatever color you want. I like red. I'm a red and green Christmas girl. You can let me know in the comments if you're a neutral Christmas girl or blue. I like blue too. I would redo my whole Christmas thing in blue if I could. I suppose I could, but it would just be spendy at this point. This is such a pretty red. I love this colonial red. Should do more with red. Try and get in the hole. All right, that's coat one. We're going to let that dry. We want to get a couple good coats on there so this is a nice solid red and you're not seeing the wood through there like you can see down here. We want a nice solid red. So let me just let that dry. All right, we're going to go for coat two. All right, now we're going to let that coat dry because I think we're going to probably be 3 coats or 4. 4 was the magic number of coats to get this solid red. Now, last year I picked up these Christmas transfers and I made tags from them. So Christmas card or gift tags from them. But I had quite a few left over. So I thought about making other crafts with them, and this is going to be one of them. You could use old Christmas cards or any other kind of Christmas napkin or decoupage, anything you really wanted on it. But look how cute this little pug dog is. He is going to be just the cutest little Christmas spoon. So I've already cut him out. Peel him backing off here. And we're just going to set him right down in the spoon. I'm not a huge fan of transfers, but we're going to use what we have on hand to do most of our Christmas crafting this year. And since I already had all this stuff, I'm going to use it up. Absolutely love this little pug dog. Let me find a different stick here to transfer. Anyway. Always the edges. Ah! Oh gosh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. All right. But I feel like we need a little glitter. So I do have leftover from last year some of the Deco Art Snow Tech. Maybe not the Snow Tech. Do I still have the Aliens? We could put him in some snow. We can put him in the snow. Sure, we're going to put him in snow. Decisions were made. I'm going to grab a popsicle stick. Obviously, you're not going to use this for cooking. It is just for decorating. Just a cute little kitchen wall decor. Make it look like he's sitting in the snow here. I feel like I want a little glitter. little glitter. Hang on. Glitter. Picked this up at a garage sale. Martha Stewart's iridescent glitter. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Let's put a little over that snow so it has a little bit of a sparkle. Come on. No, it's not coming out. There we go. Glitter shaker, come on. Close that. I get glitter over too much here. I'm gonna tap the excess off. Oh, now I feel like it needs a bow up here, obviously. We need a bow. I picked this up at a garage sale in the free box this past summer. Somebody was getting rid of the whole spool here of this ribbon, but I don't want to use the whole ribbon. So I'm just going to cut a section off. And I want to cut just a section out of the middle. I'm just using one of the stripes as my guideline. This stuff's pretty stiff as it is. I don't think it needs the metal. That just lay down a little bit. I may have to get a glue gun. Hang on. All right, we're gonna do the best we can, but I'm running out of glue sticks, so a little spot right there. I'm gonna hold that down. Now I need to make a bow. Set that over there for now. Which I'm going to do from one of these. I'm not really good at bows. We're going to make do. Like a cheater bow. I just stabbed myself with a piece of wire. Okay, let's put this all together. One sec. Move this off of here. And my cheater bow. And we're gonna glue it right there. Okay. And sometimes I make things that are going to be really hard for me to get rid of, and I think this is one of them. But look how cute he is. He's so cute. It's just a cute little wall decor. Obviously, you can't use it for food because it's got the snow and the image on it, but he's just so cute. And I didn't know what to do other than tags. I was like, I gotta find something that I can do that's just not a tag, but how cute is he? I even don't hate my cheater bow. So that's my project for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.